Hello everyone, from this video we are going to start Flutter Complete Tutorial. This is Flutter Introduction video. We will discuss all about Flutter now. Let's get started. Let's start Flutter Introduction. In Introduction we will cover what is mobile app development, types of mobile apps on the basis of operating system. Then we will discuss types of apps development, frameworks and languages. Then we will discuss what is Flutter. At the end, we will discuss why we are using Flutter or major features of Flutter. What is mobile app development? It is the complete process of developing softwares for mobile devices, such as mobile phones, Android, iPhone, tablets, smartwatches. Types of mobile apps. On the basis of operating system, there are two types of mobile apps, native apps and cross-platforms. Native app runs on and made for a specific operating system. There are further two types of native apps that are Android apps for Android operating system and iOS apps for iOS operating system, while cross-platforms apps runs on and made both Android and iOS operating system. Types of app development frameworks and languages. Mobile apps can be developed in two main categories. 1. Native development. Native apps are platform-specific and provides the best performance. There are two types of native app development, Android and iOS. Android development, Java and Kotlin languages, and Android Studio IDE are used for Android apps development. The developers are called Android Developer, iOS Development. Swift and Objective-C languages and Android Studio IDE are used for iOS apps development. The developers are called iOS Developer 2. Cross-platform development. Cross-platform frameworks allow you to build apps for both Android and iOS using a single codebase. Flutter and React Native are the two popular frameworks for cross-platform apps development nowadays. Flutter is the product of Google and used Dart language. The developer is called Flutter Developer, while the React Native is the product of Facebook and use HTML, CS, and JavaScript languages. The developer is called React Native Developer. So our course is all about Flutter Mobile App Development, which is the most popular cross-platform app development framework nowadays. Let's define Flutter. Flutter is cross-platform mobile development framework to develop mobile apps using single codebase for both Android and iOS operating system using Dart programming language. Now we discuss the main features of Flutter one by one, which make it unique among the other cross-platform app development frameworks. Flutter's same app can be run on multiple platforms like Android, iOS, web and desktop. Hot reload means automatically reloading the Flutter app after saving. Everything on the Flutter app UI is called widget, like button, icon, image. Wrapping means enclosing one widget inside another widget. PubDev is the online website for installing Flutter libraries. Flutter is based on Dart programming language. Dart is object-oriented language having similar syntax like C++. Flutter developers have a strong community support available on YouTube and Facebook.